My name is Rob Bennett with Werner Electric Supply, and I'm here to talk to you about our project management services. Those services are around typically lighting and gear. So when we receive an order from our customers on lighting and gear, you get a dedicated project coordinator assigned to the job. This person is your go-to person. So we work with you on your bill of materials, we work with you on your shipping status reports. When the order is received, we help you with release dates. We also help with any discrepancies or any change orders, warranty. So really it's one point of contact for your whole project. In addition to project coordination, we also offer a suite of services. These services could include staging, so that's where we receive the material in, we check it for damage, take care of any freight claims, and then we store the material here for you at Werner Electric until it's needed on the job site. So this is versus you receiving a truckload of material at your job site where you have limited space. We here can receive it for you, hold it for you, and then do multiple releases as you need it. We also do job packing. So job packing is where we unbox, we label, we cart. So we have special carts for product, and we can deliver those carts to you as needed. So you can do multiple releases a week with different products. And again, that way you're only receiving the product that you need at that time. So you're not taking up valuable space on the job site, you're not risking job site damage. So those are services that we offer. We also offer prefab services such as fixture whipping or knockouts or putting different connectors on or hangers. So really what we're looking to do is anything that we can do to offer time-saving services in a clean environment here at Werner Electric that will save you time and money on the job site. If you need more information on the services that we offer, please contact your Werner Electric salesperson.